Figs are an ancient fruit enjoyed for centuries. They have a unique taste and texture, both sweet and chewy. Figs are grown all over the world, from the Mediterranean to California. People love them fresh, dried, and used in baking. Join us as we explore the journey of figs from the farm to your table. Figs are more than just a tasty treat. They are packed with nutrients and offer various health benefits. Figs are full of fiber, which aids digestion. They are rich in antioxidants, helping to protect our bodies. Figs also contain essential minerals like potassium and calcium. From ancient times, figs have held cultural and religious significance. They are mentioned in religious texts and have been depicted in art throughout history. The fig tree's symbolism of abundance and fertility is a testament to its enduring importance. Today, figs continue to be a valuable crop, contributing to the economies of many countries. Farmers carefully cultivate fig trees, ensuring optimal growing conditions. Let's delve into the world of fig production and discover the secrets behind this beloved fruit. Today's fig farms are embracing technology to enhance efficiency and yield. Farmers utilize sophisticated irrigation systems to provide precise amounts of water to each tree, conserving this precious resource. Sensors monitor soil moisture levels, ensuring optimal growing conditions for the trees. Automated greenhouses are changing the game in fig farming. These controlled environments allow for year-round cultivation regardless of external weather conditions. Temperature, humidity, and light are carefully regulated, creating the perfect microclimate for fig trees to thrive. This technology is particularly beneficial in regions with challenging climates, expanding the possibilities for fig production. Sensors collect data on everything from temperature and humidity to soil nutrient levels. This information is then analyzed to optimize growing conditions and predict potential issues. Farmers can make data-driven decisions, maximizing efficiency and minimizing losses. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, drones can survey vast orchards quickly, identifying signs of pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. Harvesting figs is a delicate process that requires a skilled touch. Unlike some fruits picked when unripe, figs are best harvested when they are at their peak ripeness. This ensures the sweetest and most flavorful fruit. Experienced harvesters can identify ripe figs by their color, texture, and a slight bend in the neck of the fruit. Traditional hand-picking methods are still widely used, especially for delicate varieties of figs. Workers carefully move through the orchard, gently plucking each ripe fig from the branch. They wear gloves to protect the fruit from damage and use clippers to avoid tearing the delicate skin. The figs are then placed in baskets or crates lined with soft materials to prevent bruising. In recent years, there has been a rise in the use of mechanized harvesting aids, particularly in larger orchards. These machines gently shake the branches, causing ripe figs to fall onto a catching surface below. After harvesting, the figs are transported to a packing facility as quickly as possible. Drying figs is an age-old practice that allows for their preservation and enjoyment year-round. While traditional sun-drying methods are still used in some regions, modern industrial dehydrators offer precision and efficiency in the drying process. These machines carefully control temperature, humidity, and airflow to achieve optimal results. Industrial dehydrators work by circulating hot air around the figs, gradually removing moisture. The temperature and drying time are carefully calibrated based on the fig variety and desired moisture content. Too much heat can caramelize the sugars, affecting the flavor, while insufficient drying can lead to spoilage. Throughout the drying process, the figs are regularly monitored to ensure even drying and prevent over-drying. Some dehydrators utilize sensors to measure the moisture content of the figs, providing real-time feedback and allowing for adjustments to the drying parameters. Once the figs have reached the desired moisture content, they are removed from the dehydrator and allowed to cool. The dried figs are then inspected for quality and sorted by size and appearance. Before figs are ready for packaging and consumption, they undergo a rigorous sorting and cleaning process. This crucial step ensures that only the highest quality figs reach consumers, free from any debris or contaminants. Modern processing facilities utilize a combination of automated and manual techniques to achieve this. Conveyor belts are the workhorses of the fig processing line, transporting the figs through various stages of cleaning and sorting. As the figs move along the conveyor, they pass through a series of cleaning mechanisms such as air blowers and rotating brushes. These remove any loose dirt, stems or leaves that may have accompanied the figs from the orchard. To ensure food safety, many processing facilities incorporate magnets and metal detectors into their cleaning lines. These devices effectively capture any metal fragments that may have inadvertently mixed with the figs during harvesting or processing. Human inspectors play a vital role in the sorting process, carefully examining each fig for any imperfections or signs of damage. This combination of technology and human expertise guarantees the integrity of the final product. Japanese fig farmers are renowned for their commitment to sustainable and regenerative agricultural practices. They understand that preserving the environment is crucial for the long-term viability of their farms and the quality of their figs. By embracing eco-friendly methods, they are ensuring a healthy future for their land and their crops. One notable practice is the use of organic fertilizers and pest control methods. Instead of relying on synthetic chemicals, Japanese fig farmers often utilize natural alternatives such as compost, manure, and beneficial insects. This helps to maintain soil fertility, reduce pollution, and protect the health of both farmers and consumers. Water conservation is another top priority for Japanese fig farmers. They utilize efficient irrigation systems, such as drip irrigation, to deliver water directly to the roots of the trees, minimizing waste. Some farmers are also experimenting with rainwater harvesting techniques to further reduce their reliance on municipal water sources. Japanese fig farmers are increasingly adopting solar energy to power their farms. The journey of figs from farm to factory is a testament to the harmonious blend of tradition and innovation in modern agriculture. While the ancient fruit remains largely unchanged, the methods of cultivation, harvesting, and processing have evolved significantly, driven by technological advancements and a growing awareness of sustainability. Precision agriculture, powered by sensors, data analytics, and artificial intelligence, is poised to revolutionize the way figs are grown. From optimizing irrigation and fertilization to predicting and mitigating pest outbreaks, these technologies empower farmers to make informed decisions that maximize yield while minimizing environmental impact. Robotics and automation are gradually finding their place in fig orchards and processing facilities. Automated harvesting machines, while still under development, hold the potential to address labor shortages and improve efficiency. Similarly, robotic sorting and packaging systems can enhance productivity and ensure consistent quality. As consumers become increasingly conscious of the origins and sustainability of their food, traceability is emerging as a key focus in the fig industry. Blockchain technology and other tracking systems allow consumers to trace their figs back to the specific orchard where they were grown, providing transparency and building trust. The future of figs is bright, fueled by a combination of ancient wisdom, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to sustainable practices.